Hi, everyone. Say hi, Micah. Oh, he's watching his Wheels on the Bus song.
Hi.
So we got a new box of Usborne books, and we want to show them to you guys.
We got double two.
Double two, that's right. So the first one that I want to show you is this one.
The first is Benches.
First Experiences collection. Here, let me lower mine.
Turn it around. More on the back.
There's more on the back, that's right. So you want to read to them which books are in that?
The first one is Going on the Plane. Second, Going to the Hospital. Third, Going to School. Fourth, Going to the Dentist.
That's right.
Fifth, Going to the Doctor. Sixth, Moving House. Seventh, New Baby. And eighth, New Puppy.
That's right. So this is the first Experiences collection, and it
Ellie,
comes.
She's a new puppy.
Yeah, we'll show them Ellie at the end. And this was a customer specials book. Oh man, I can't open it.
Let me count how many there are.
Okay, go ahead and count. Let me use your pencil to cut it open.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, there's 8.
That's right. And the customer specials, how those work, is that when you spend $40, when you buy $40 worth of books, you get Auntie Claire's on. Say hi, Auntie Claire.
Hi, Auntie Claire.
When you spend $40, you unlock one of the customer specials. And last week, when I bought Micah his book box, I unlocked actually 2 customer specials, but I only bought this one. And it was $20 for all of these books.
So,
The new puppy, which is totally perfect for us because we have a new puppy.
yeah, he's so cute.
New baby. We won't be getting one of those, but I like that we have it. Here's Moving House.
Like you move when your house is old.
Yes, all the books are. Wait, you don't move when your house is old. All the books are hardcover, and they are dual readers, which means that the top has a little bit simpler text, and the bottom is a little bit more difficult.
Now we're coming to Going to the Doctor.
Going to the Doctor. There's Moving House.
Dentist.
I'll grab those. You show them this one. You show them the other
And
one.
Hospital.
Going to the hospital. We don't have that one, and we don't have this one either. Going on a plane. Because we're going to be doing all of this stuff when we move to China. We're moving house. We're going on a plane. This is good stuff. I just can't wait for Micah to look through these. Hi. Say hi to Luna. Hi,
Hi,
Luna. Okay. We're going to move those. I'll put those back in the box later. Honey, sit down. Look it. Your head's cut off.
Luna.
Let's see the other books that we have in here. So if you love Nibbles, you will probably love this book. It's called
Dragon Post.
Dragon Post. It's the same author from Nibbles. One day I found a dragon. And then, look at Micah. Inside the book, there are letters.
That's like Santa's special letter.
Yes, Micah has a Christmas book called Santa's Special Letter, and he loves it because inside the book there are little letters that you can pull out and you can read. So in this one,
you can read the letters. This
Yes.
one said.
hang on, we're not going to read it. We're just showing them. I'm sorry. We'll do a story time of this book later, okay? So the little boy writes letters to various people asking them how to take care of his dragon.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
I think he has a cold.
Maybe. So every other page has a letter that you can open and read. So that's Dragon Post.
That's ripped.
Yes. And that is from the author of Nibbles. Let's see what else we got in here. This is one of the brand new ones that just came out like 2 days ago.
It is on the mountain.
And look what happens. Hang on, let's get Micah's reaction in here. Ready? Let's see what happens. Ready?
It pops up.
It's a pop-up book.
Like my Wizard of Oz pop-up book.
Like his Wizard of Oz pop-up book. So we have On the Mountain as a pop-up book. And
Wait, I saw that bird almost trying to eat something.
yes. And we also have On the Savannah. If your child likes more wild. Oh my gosh, look! And what's really cool is that it has still some nonfiction little bits of information, like black bears survive mostly on nuts, berries, and roots found in woods. And then at the bottom, there's a nice little fiction little poem about them. As the sun soars in the sky, two bumbling, tumbling bears roll by. On such a warm and sunny day, all they want to do is play.
And look at the things up here.
Yeah. So, oh, look at this one. Eagle.
Flapping its wings.
An eagle flapping its wings. Let's see what else we got, Micah. Oh my God, I'm so excited about this one.
It is Lifesize.
It's called Lifesize.
And it tells you what it's by, what it's from.
Who wrote it and who illustrated it? By Sophie Hem.
Sophie Hem is the one who authored it.
Yes. Now this book is big. Like look at Micah's head and look at how big this book is.
They're the different size. My head is small and the book is big.
Right. And there's a reason for that. The reason why is because this book is so cool because it shows you
the life size.
Right. It shows you the life size. So let's see.
So wait.
It says high five a polar bear. Put your paw on the polar bear's life-size paw. So
is it big?
Honey, sit down. Sit down.
Is it big?
So that's the size of a polar bear's paws.
And the size of my hand.
Yeah, so your child will be able to compare their own bodies to how the animals are. So, and look at the toucan's beak. That's a life-size toucan beak. Hold it up to the side of your nose. How does it look?
I can't do it sideways.
Yeah, we'll have to look at this just us, right? And there's a lot to see.
Oh, there's a circle here.
Well, yeah, because it's a life-size giant squid. That's how his eye really looks. And there's a hole in there. Right. Okay, let's close the book. And look at this, one last part. The mouth! So that is the mouth of a Bengal tiger. So if your child loves animals, or this is something I think could fascinate any child, you can hold it up to their mouth and then they can see how big a tiger's mouth is compared to them. This one is life size, and pandas are my favorite animal. And
kitties and puppies are my favorite animal.
Yes, kitties and puppies. What else do we got in here?
Ooh.
This one. What does this one look like?
This is Cuddles and a good night.
Yes.
And what does it have?
What does it have?
Stickers.
So this is by the author of All Better. So this is man, I wish I hadn't pulled my nails out.
Yeah, this is a night one. It's not a day one.
Yes, this one, instead of having band-aids to make your animals all better. Oh man, I can't open this. Can you grab the scissors, please?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, darling.
Be right back, guys.
And then there was also Little Bear Needs Glasses, and there were little reusable glasses stickers. This one is Kisses, Cuddles, and Goodnight. I won't move without you. Honey, where are the scissors? Oh my gosh, they weren't where they're supposed to. Okay, good job. So let's open this so Micah can show you guys. So this one, as I was saying, this has to do with getting the animals ready for bed.
And this one is a little bit, and this one is mother cow, baby cow. This one is mother, bird, sheep, cow, kitten, and piggy.
That's right. So there's the little levies, and you take the stickers off, and then you go through the book and you read. Cat played all day in her favorite tree. She leapt and climbed from branch to branch. Now she is tired and ready for bed. She gives her stuffed animal a kiss and a cuddle. Good night, Cat. And then you would get her little, sit down, buddy. I don't want you to get hurt. You give her her little kitty cat. Right here, anywhere you want. And she gets a kiss and a cuddle and good night.
Yeah. So and those are the babies.
Yeah, so this is an awesome bedtime story book. You okay? Did you cut yourself? What's the matter?
didn't see where I was going.
All right, we're gonna put that one down. We have a couple more in here.
Yeah, we have
Okay, I wanted that one kind of for me.
the
Maya.
Oh, the Maya.
Yes, this is one of our new beginner books. It's $4.99. I really wanted to get this one not only to teach Micah about the Mayans,
but I don't know what the Maya is.
But also, excuse me, because Anthony and I, we went to Mexico and we saw a lot of cool temples that looked like this. So we have a bunch of pictures. Chichen Itza, that's where we went. Oh, it's right there. So I wanted to be able to teach Micah about it. So this is $4.99. What else do we got? Ooh, this one's also kind of for me.
Ooh.
What's this? What's it called?
The first illustrated grammar. Sorry, my throat's a little bit itchy.
Grammar and punctuation. So it's a flexi-bind book, and it is
Rain.
Yes. So this is a book about grammar and punctuation. I'm gonna do like longer flip throughs of this on my YouTube channel, and then I'll post them. But this one's just so cool. I wanted that one for a long time.
That's a lot of pages.
Yeah. Look at. Show them this one.
My very first season Oceans book.
My very first season Oceans book. I wanted this one for Micah too, because he loves whales. Look it.
Orcas.
Orca whales, and I love it because
Emma loves orca whales too.
Who's Emma?
My classmate.
Mm-hmm.
And you know what's the creepiest one?
A fish skeleton. Look at that. So this is another cool one that I got. Sorry, I know I put it in front of your face. I'm gonna do some longer flip throughs of this. This one's $11.99. What else we got? Oh, and then we also got All Better.
Oh my god!
Yeah, all better. Nova was going to run to get the scissors for you. Oh, thank you, Novies. Oh, you guys know how All Better works, right? Well, just in case, I'm going to open it. I think this is actually our top-selling book that Usborne has.
Like our sleeping book.
Yes, the same author does the new Kisses, Cuddles, and Goodnight book. This is All Better. And it has, show them, buddy.
Oh my god, where did the red thing go?
I don't know. Maybe, I don't know, we'll find it. If not, I'll get a new one. FYI, if something like that ever happens. Oh, it's on the front. It's on the front, man. Making fools out of us. I can't rip it off because I just cut my nails. Okay, let me just show them real quick. Can you get it?
No.
Oh, that hurt. Oh my gosh. I just cut my nails really short, so now I can't do anything. Okay, so it comes with the reusable sticker.
And look.
And then it has more bandages and
when they got hurt, you can find the little ouchie.
Let's show them. Ouchies.
And then All Better.
All Better. Micah loves this one, don't you, baby?
Yes.
We love this one too, so I had to rebuy it. Okay, this is one of the new ones that I'm also really excited about.
The Unworry Book.
The Unworry Book. It's an activity book to calm your mind.
And look at this.
Yes. So, this is for kids who might worry a lot.
Oh my god.
I'm going to do, this one definitely deserves a longer flip through, but for now, I will just say it has expert advice from a clinical psychologist, and it has a lot of different activities for your child to do.
Orange ribbon.
Yes. And I will flip through this one in detail probably this weekend, and I'll post videos.
We got another one.
Telling the Time activity book.
With lots of stickers.
Yeah, so Micah can get some practice with telling time. How does that sound?
Good.
Good? Okay.
100 is a big number.
100 is a big number, that's true.
Or 1,000.
1,000 is even bigger.
It doesn't matter which one's bigger.
No.
And
finally, this one's a brand new one that just came out a couple days ago.
See inside bridges, towers, and tunnels.
So this one I had to get
So to look in bridges, towers, and tunnels.
It's a flat book.
And look what you see.
Uh-huh. And this one, lots of flaps, lots of flaps. Look at Tower Bridge. It has Tower Bridge. We went to London a few years ago.
London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down, my sweet lady. And there's the Golden Gate Bridge.
The Golden Gate
And where
Bridge.
does that live?
Where's the Golden Gate Bridge? What's this, baby?
Oh, the Burj Khalifa!
Look at that.
That's where Minion used to do.
Yeah.
And there's a swimming pool.
Yeah. So.
And can you find the Burj Al Arab?
We'll have to see if the Burj Al Arab is in this book. We used to live in Dubai, right, Micah?
Yeah.
Get down, maybe they can't see you.
Yeah, but then we moved to Florida.
That's right. So once I saw that the Burj Khalifa, which is the tallest building in the world, was in this book, I had to buy it.
The Shanghai Tower.
The Shanghai Tower. We will probably be seeing that next year too.
Sky Tower, the Shard.
The Shard is in London. We saw that too. That's the tallest building in London.
And the One World Trade Center.
Yes, indeed. So again, this is a flap book. It's got lots of flaps throughout. We just got it, so I haven't. Ooh, cool! I haven't opened up everything yet, but I'm gonna do longer flip throughs of these books on my YouTube channel. And finally, oh look what's that?
The Eiffel Tower.
Yeah. So this is.
Is that?
No, I don't know. That's in India. So these are all the brand new books that we got. Are you happy?
Yeah.
Which one looks like it might be your favorite?
All better.
All better. We've had that one. Okay. So.
Yes, I did.
So you're so professional. Thank you, Micah, for being my co-host.
And let's show them Ellie.
Okay, let's show them Ellie. I'm gonna pick you guys up, and you guys can see our puppy. That's Ellie.
There's
Ellie. Hi, Stinkers.
Say hello.
Say hi, Ellie. Hang on. I don't want to get you in it. Okay. So anyways, those are some of the new books that I got.
We hope you have more Usborne books to enjoy, and you can see all of them that my mom told you.
Yes. Thank you, baby. Oh, she's the best. Aww. So, what else was I going to say? Oh, thank you guys for playing the Mamarazzi game that I had going on.
And I hope you enjoy all of your Usborne books that you have to see all of the things inside that.
Right. Yes. I hope you guys do too.
Oh, there's some more.
Yeah, there's more people on. Another thing that I wanted to tell you guys is that I am going to be doing a sale in my group in the new year. So I'm going to do an inventory sale. It's going to be good. So just watch out for it. And I think that was it. Did you have anything else you wanted to add, Micah?
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Please don't read any scary books.
Okay, don't read scary books.
We hope you don't get nightmares.
Yes, we definitely hope you don't get nightmares.
No. What happens if they get nightmares, Mom?
I don't know what happens.
They would jump up and scream.
Oh my, we definitely don't want that. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the books. Again, I'll be posting longer flip throughs of these for my YouTube channel. There we go. Thanks for watching, everyone.
Don't
Bye.
forget to look out for the sticker books.
Don't forget the sticker books. Bye, guys.
Bye.